Hey guys, so this is going to be your maths video on how to do your activities, and today our learning intention is to sequence numbers in fives. So for your maths warm-up, you have already highlighted the numbers in fives and twos, and you have noticed the patterns. So what I thought we'd do first is look at a 100 square and just highlight the numbers in fives. Now I'm going to put another video for you to watch and sing along to help you count in fives. The more you practice it, the better you will be at it, okay? So what I thought I'd do first is circle the numbers in fives. Now, obviously, the first number is going to be 5, so there we go. And I wonder if you can count with me all the way to 100 in fives. So it goes 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, almost there, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, so now we have done that, I have recognised the pattern. So down here, all the numbers in the ones column end in 5. And then all the way down in this column, the numbers end in a 0. And it's as if you're counting in tens. So it jumps from the 5 to the 10, from the 5 to the 10. Okay, so when we go to our activity, we can remember the pattern, which will help us sequence the numbers in fives. Okay, so here I have numbers in fives, but they are in the wrong order. So we are going to cut them out and stick them in order for your activity. But for this video, I'm just going to use my mouse to move the numbers. Okay, so we know the first number is 5. Now it goes 5, 10. I know that. And then I know that there's a 1 in the tens column and a 5 in the ones column for the next number, which makes it 15. And then I've got, I'm looking for the next, so it goes 10, 20, 25. Oh, I wonder who can tell me the next number. Oh, yes, that's right, it's the next 10, it's 30. Then I'm looking for 33. No, 35. Now I'm looking for the next 10, 40. And 45, and finally 50. Well done, great job. Thank you guys for helping me sequence our numbers in fives. So now if you look at the document, you'll be able to see challenge A, B and C. Only choose one of the challenges because that means that you'll have time to complete the rest of the activities. Well done, and I look forward to seeing your amazing sequencing numbers in fives.